Having a remote resource, remote team for your business is no new thing. What is important is that you hire them, manage them, engage them, pay them on time, and be on the right side of the compliance, irrespective of geography they are in, paying taxes and stuff like that. So there is a solution provider who have presence in more than 150 country. 150 country. In case you want to move resource from one geography to another, they have solution for that too. And I have partnered with them. Just below this video, in the description, I have shared an affiliate link. By using that affiliate link, you will support my content creation at no additional cost to you. And you'll also get to see how this platform is, what all features they have. In case you want any specific question to be answered, you can book for a demo. So make sure you use the affiliate link to get to this website. Let me give you a quick overview of the platform. So you can see here, you can hire employees abroad, run payroll, hire contractor on your behalf, benefit and compliance for your US team. You can Slack plugins. That way your stays productive and engaged. Then you also get a visa support worldwide. This is the workforce management part. You have deal engage, you can manage the global IT operation, run US payroll within no minute, and then you have insights. You can automate your HR workflow, and then you can improve your product and process. You also have add-ons like background check, equity management, equipment, workspace. So you are here, you can get all these things done. Once you log in, you enter your credential and then click on login. We are on this home page and I'll be just going superficially. I'll not go much in detail. And you can see here right now it shows client. In case you are a contractor, then you have that option from this drop down. Then it shows company name, and then you can see all the upcoming action here. Deal AI, that part we will touch upon a little later. And then it shows all that you have on to-do list, and you can customize your home. Now, when it comes to people, you have all list of remote employees who are onboarded, the country, work type, work status, start date, all those information, and then you can view the report. Organization chart will give you an overview of the organization, and in case there is anything to be updated to keep it up to date, you can do that. Then there are trackers. There you can see who all have onboarded. If there is any change request, you can see that. Right now it does not have any change request. If there are any contract to be edited, you have this in this section. And then offboarding. In case somebody leaves the company, then you can see that detail here with all the statuses, and for everything you can generate report. You can automate this. You have these options. You will see how that integration works. Then when it comes to compliance, here you get all the compliance related information which you can review, update, and if you feel everything is done, you can dismiss. Then in workers classification, you can see the compliance status and expiry date, and you can review all these details including tax residence, country-wise, any coverage, compliance status, etc. When it comes to documents, again, you will get this overview here. All the documents, what has been submitted, you can see this, you can see the progress and any action, what is required. Then custom documents, this is the non-disclosure agreement and data processing agreement. So here again, you get to see those details. You can go to registration and file, and then here you can go and upload any file which is required. As I said before, when it comes to immigration, in case you're looking for intra-company transfer, then you have this option where you can create a case, and then you can see the progress of all the cases. The case tracker, once you click here, you get to see case, and again you can see what the progress is. Let me go back. Once we come down, this is the immigration wallet. Here you click on view document, and then you will see how many are active, what's expiring, any expiring document, and then you get the status of the visa type, what the contract is, hiring country, compliance status, and all those documents can be reviewed. When it comes to background checks, again, you can get started here. And then equipment, if it is a company owned equipment, you get to see here. If it is leased, you will get to see here. And then you can add the device. Whatever devices are added, you will get to see the statuses here, and then also updating those statuses. In case employees working from a co-working place like WeWork, for example, then you will get to see their detail here and whatever the subscription is getting paid for that. So all in all, when it comes to people management, you will be able to see this dashboard. Let's go to the payroll section. So this is the payroll section. So you come here, you can track all the payroll submission country wise. Here you will see the pay date. You see here the steps are shown here: payroll submission, payroll approval, payroll payment, employee pay date. All those things you get to see one by one. In case you have any external service provider who is doing the process, you can see that too. And then here it shows when the pay date is, what is the cycle, next milestone, and then status, which you can review, approve. All those things you can do from here. So whatever is complete get shown to you like this. Go up, the upcoming payment section will show you what the amount due is, what are the pending invoices, and all these details you can see here. Then comes billing. Again, this you can automate. I'll show you this little later. Here you can see the payment part, what the amount is, and the status. This is the invoice section. Again, you can check the statuses. And then liabilities, if there are any, that will get shown here. Tax documents, this is where all the tax document will show up. And then expenses and claim, this is the expenses and claim section. You have for direct employees, or you have employer on record or contractors. All those details, you can see this in expenses and claim. So it will give you an overview. Next is engage. Once you click here, in case you want to add performance management, learning management, career management, or connect every stage of talent management, you can do that too here. Then comes the IT. You can automate and manage your IT part of it, that is device and equipments, any apps, software and security, global support and services. So all those things you can do. I have this analytic dashboard where you can get an insight on the entire activity. As you can see here, you come down, you get to see all these details in the analytic part. If you have to check productivity, DEI, how the talent sourcing is going, all those details you will get. Then we will come to the hub. This is the place I was talking about, the other app integration. So you can have overview here, all this app integration you can do with this platform. These are services you can integrate. You have option to build apps. So you see this, all this you can integrate. For example, you want to go with the background check, just click here and then you can get started from here. Come back to the hub. Then you have the plugins, you can customize on the go, have these options, and then you have consulting. See here, tools, all these tools can integrate. This is the perks part, which again you can integrate. Then you have flexibility of automation where you can create the workflows, and then the AI where you can ask questions and get specific answers. So all in all, this is a great platform in case you have a remote team and you want to manage them centrally. This is a great platform to be on.